Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial today will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Kmrox. Kmrox is the ransomware that damages the files and encrypts them. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I'll just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Kmrox ransomware may be easily injected into the system. So very soon people realize that they are no longer able to open their files. Very soon this Kmrox ransomware encrypts all the files and it is impossible to use them. So it appends this Kmrox extension to the file names and also reveals this ransom note. It tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but of course paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. Now, what I recommend you to urgently do is to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So through your Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching this system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is of course essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data with this anti-ransomware feature, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.